It's the second day. Let's do some incline push-up. Are you able to see me? So here, this is my terrace, and this is the. Are you able to see this? This is the parapet wall, and this is my base for incline push-up. Let's start. You have to go a little back and keep your foot exactly on the base as the terrace, and then let's start. Like this we do. So challenge for you all, show me how one wall push-up or incline push-up you can do, and send us the video, so we'll celebrate your victories, your growth, and every push-up a day, and start growing together. Good luck.